In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select few slide in PDF. So first, I'm going on Google. Then here I type I love PDF. This is very easy drag and drop website. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So first, you know to click on this slide PDF. Now you need to import your PDF. So I have a PDF file. It's around 100 plus pages. So wow, 176 pages. So now I click on pages, then click on select pages. Now you can select which page you need to slide. Your purpose, I select number 1 and number 8 and number 22 and number 31 and number 39, etc, etc. Now just click on slide PDF. Then these selected pages automatically download in one. Wow, now I need to click on only download slide PDF. Now it's automatically downloaded zip file. So I need to extract this zip file as well. So now click on right button, again click on extract file, again click on OK. That's it. Wow, you can see this is a 1 2 3 and 6 PDF file automatic download to my computer. So this is the method how you can split